Happy New Year. I need your help. I will be going to mess with YouTube's algorithm. And I need you to stick to this channel, even though there are going to be some changes over the next 6 months. The German government just gave me money to work with my friends. I thought it would be nice to have a project that kind of combines computer art and dance in a way that we will put in choreography from one side and feed the data that we gain from this by using motion capture systems, AI systems and all that, and feed it into computer art.
Yeah, research mainly, no?
It's going to be research. We're going
a lot of research.
We're doing research, and this is why we're doing it in this special room. This is the ballet studio of the.
Which would look nothing like this once everything is set up.
Oh yes, we're setting up lights and stuff here. I'm going to show you. Just have a look. Then I'm going to put in some footage of the.
Explaining what we do and all of this.
So basically,
stay tuned.
Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet.
I should do that.
You should do that. And ring the bell. We're starting today, and until the 30th of June, we're going to publish tutorials, behind the scenes, and some, well, let's call it commented documentary about what we're doing.
About the journey, let's say, of everything.
About the journey. And for everybody who wants to follow us in these footsteps, that might be,
interesting.
Might be interesting for some people.
Yeah.
For the others, don't leave us. Yes, this channel will remain your #1 source for video mapping and all that stuff, but I just had to add in some nice artistic work again. I just needed this.
Well, I'm okay with that.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.